How to use character AI without account in 2024. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use character AI without account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the official webpage of character AI. Now, as you can see here, as I am not signed in, Character AI allows users to access a few characters and explore them without having to sign in. Just make sure that not all characters in Character AI is available without signing in. Simply tap on a few characters and see if they are available without signing in. As you can see, in this particular character is available without signing in. Nevertheless, in order to access all the characters and use them smoothly, you will have to sign yourself into Character AI. So this is how you can use Character AI without account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.